Always know the status of gates and key egress points for livestock on your property with the Smart Gate Detection System from INCYT. This connected sensor has been developed to plug straight into our award-winning telemetry device, the INCYT Blue Node, to give you accurate status reporting straight to your phone or other device through the INCYT App. Built from robust stainless steel, the gate sensor can be deployed on paddocks across your property and provide reliable reporting on whether gates are open or closed. Always know where on your property livestock can access or get security alerts when gates that should be closed have been opened. Save time on manual checking and deploy staff quickly and efficiently when needed if a status alert requires it. Drive increased productivity, save time, and get peace of mind when planning operations on your farm with the INCYT product range and INCYT App. Wherever you are in the world, see what's going on with remote monitoring sensors. It's your entire farm in your pocket. The gate detection system with Blue Node is just one of many connected sensors and kits available through the AgTech ecosystem.